Hi, my name is Annie Stewart. Welcome to my channel. I'm broadcasting right from my bedroom, and today I'm gonna bring you 5 fitness hacks that will help you on your fitness and health journey, will get you excited, and will just bring you so much joy and ease. First, find something you like. Tennis, swimming, running, playing volleyball, stretching, working with weights, trail running, bicycling, cycling, anything, jumping around, dancing. Find something you like, because if you don't like it, you won't stick with it. And in this game of fitness and health, the most important thing is consistency and joy. So if you hate running like I do, it's really unlikely that you will stick with it. I started doing my stretching classes before everything closed down in this studio in LA. It's called SM Stretching. It was opened by a Russian gymnast, Samira Mustafaeva. She's freaking awesome, so check out her IG. She has studios in Moscow, LA, and I think she was gonna open up in New York before everything closed down. But her stretching classes and just stretching in generally just made me feel so good. It like almost made me feel like all my joints are well oiled. I love the feeling of having my hips open. I love the feeling your muscle lengthen, and I just feel taller and lighter after the class. And it helped with my back pain tremendously. Doing those splits helped me get rid of that pain. So stretching, I love it. I stuck with it. It gave me results, and it got me on another level, because now I also do resistance training, and I love that. Oh, and oh my god, I forgot. I'm almost sitting in a split. Like, how cool is that? I just am a ballerina now, you know. Eat consciously. Understand what is it that you put in your body, in this unique, special body that is taking you from the moment you were born all the way to the moment you die. And care about it. Care about what you put in it. I just simply don't buy junk. My fridge is filled with, on most days, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. And my pantry also. I just don't buy things out of the box. Like, most of the time, things that are in the box, like, they're processed, they have tons of harmful ingredients in it, and you just don't want it. I don't think people should spend their life like counting calories and worry about having pizza and a glass of wine with friends on a Friday night. I don't want that. However, what really helped me in the beginning of this process was counting calories and counting macronutrients. I don't do it anymore. I went through the initial stage. I got an understanding what is in the chicken breast, what kind of nutrients are in a salad, what kind of nutrients are, in a glass of milk, and so and so. And so now I just really it's almost automatic. I don't even think about it. So I recommend going through this initial stage. There are different apps that can help you along the way. I used MyFitnessPal, but there's plenty of other apps right now. The way the app works, you just log in all the food you've eaten during the day, and it tells you how much protein was in that food, how much fat, how many carbs, different vitamins and minerals. In the end of the day, you understand, okay, this is how much I've eaten protein today, this is how much carbohydrates I've had, and this is how much fat. And this is the amount of calories I had. And that will make you understand that sometimes, a can of Mountain Dew, which is like 130 calories and no nutrients whatsoever, maybe is not as good of a choice as, for instance, a nice little salad that can be also 130 calories, and fiber, vitamins, they will all be there waiting for you. And I'm not gonna lie, every now and then I can devour a pizza by myself. But it happens not that often, and I know that in the grand scheme of things, it brought me so much joy at the moment. And it doesn't matter what are you eating, like this day, today. It matters what you eat in a month in the grand scheme of things. Have you been eating healthy with an occasional sprinkle of like junk food every now and then, you know, not very often? Then you're good. You can't outrun a bad diet. So focus on eating healthy and putting good things in your body. Eating is like 80% of your success on your health journey. I noticed that most people don't really eat enough protein, sadly. I was one of those people. When I started counting my macronutrients, I realized that I'm really not even close to the number that I would like to be close to. And I started learning about all the sources of protein that I could have. You know, I don't really eat red meat, so that would be like chicken or turkey or fish or nuts or garbanzo beans or black beans. And after I started paying attention to my protein intake, I noticed the difference. I noticed that my nails and my hair got better. I noticed that I'm generally more energized and like happy after the workout and not just like exhausted. And my muscles are not as sore after like working them really hard. So that was a big difference. Protein is, you know, the main building blocks of your organism. So you want to make sure that you have enough of them. Ideally, of course, you take your protein from the whole foods, you know, from meat if you eat meat, or from nuts and beans if you're vegetarian. But in my case, I realized that just I can't. It doesn't happen every day like that. So I had to supplement it with protein powder. I tried several of them, and right now I'm doing a collagen protein powder from Bulletproof. Cute workout clothes. Get that activewear going, girl. When you look in the mirror and you like what you see, you feel much better. And that's what this whole journey is about, to make you feel better. I noticed that when I change out of my PJs in the morning into my workout clothes, I feel like battle mode is activated. I feel like I'm going for it. I feel like I'm gonna kill this workout now. And from my time in the ballet school, like when I was little, I remember how it made me feel when I was wearing a cute little leotard. Then I felt like I'm a prima ballerina. Versus when I was wearing like an all stretched out, saggy leotard, then I just wanted to disappear. I gave no performance at all. I did not want to be there, not feeling my best. So make sure you feel your best. There's so many brands right now that offer cute workout clothes at different prices, and also there's a lot that's on sale right now. So get those cute shorts, get that cute bra, whatever you like. Enjoy yourself. And don't get me wrong, like I don't own a lot of activewear clothes, and very often I would still wear like an old ragged stretched out t-shirt. Like I'm a real person. I'm a real person. I don't have like a full closet just filled with different leggings and bras and tops. Like no. But I mean, when you look cute, you want to snap an occasional selfie, you want to let everybody know that you have been working out, and that adds up to your motivation. That means that next time you will show up for your workout, and we can take that. The last hack is about organization. Find yourself a program, an app, a community, I don't know, a YouTube series. Take all the thinking, all the unnecessary thinking out of it. If you're not a fitness professional, you can't craft your own full body regular workouts. It's just impossible. You know, you will be sitting there with a dumbbell and thinking what to do, and it's going to be a waste of time. Use your time wisely. So find a person, a trainer. Social media is great for that. So many trainers right now are doing online like IG lives or YouTube videos. Find what you like and put it in your schedule. Whatever it is, you know, there's like so many like 30-day yoga challenges. Like that's a great place to start from. Right now I work out, my workout schedule is 3 times a week. I do this resistance program with this Russian trainer, and it's dumbbells and weights. So three times a week I do that, and my 4th time a week is my stretching class that just gives me life. And so in my resistance training, I work out in modules. Every module is 3 weeks. And at the end of it, you're supposed to measure yourself, take a photo, and just note the changes that you have and check in with the trainer online. It's all online, so it's all COVID friendly. I'm not showing up in the gym anytime soon. There's no need for that. I enjoy that there is a structure to it. There is a person that I vibe with that tells me what to do. I don't think twice about it. I just know at this point, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, I work out in the morning like this. It's just a part of my life at this point. Make it as easy for you as possible, because there will be days, gloomy, like rainy days, when you wake up early before work and you have to fit in that workout when you're like still half asleep, and at that moment you don't want to be thinking, oh, where do I go, what do I Google, how can I find this? You want to be ready, so be ready. And I will link down below some of the apps, YouTubers, Instagram accounts that I really enjoyed, for that matter, like the people that I like listening to and having them constantly be present in my life and telling me what to do. So I will link those down below, so go check them out. As usually, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week.